Greetings, everybody. I'm Dave Matusik. I am a solutions consultant here at TriMech, and I have a quick SolidCAM tip for you. I'm going to drive this part in these toolpaths off of a design table. So I have a part here, I have some toolpaths on it, just cutting out this pocket to keep things simple. And I'm going to make some changes on my design table. So I've already created a design table. I'm going to edit my table. And on my table, I have some dimensions here. So I'm going to change the overall length of this part to maybe 6 inches. I'm going to make my pocket width a little bit more. Maybe my pocket length a little bit less. And I'm going to change my corner radius right there. So I made some changes here in my design table. And I'm going to just click, and you'll see the model will update. And you notice the toolpaths don't match that model anymore. Not a problem. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to come up here, and I'm going to click on Check Synchronization. And then I'm going to right click again and hit Synchronize. And if I regenerate this here by just clicking on that and hitting the letter C, you can see that it updated to match the model. So real simple there. Again, just a matter of making a design table. I'm going to edit my table. And whatever changes I want to do, I can do in my table. There we go. My toolpath matches the updated model. All right, everybody, thanks and have a great day.